Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Sanjay. Today I will discuss for more peoples will be struggled for a one place. What is that place? It's okay. Today I will discuss for for a Dopamine Reset Series 2 porn addiction. How to control that porn addiction? Yeah, that is here today's topic. The you will say the porn addiction is for a person related. Cannot I will say the, the porn addiction becoming for a dopamine related. The instantly reward will be come for a easily coming for a dopamine. You will see the porn. Yeah. So that way too you will addicted. I will say for a whole process how to recover that way. Yeah, everything is you will fully watch this video. It's okay. I will say why many person go to addicted for porn. The first, I will already say instant doco. You will see instantly dopamine will be secreted. You will see for a new thing. New things means you will see for a the natural cannot see. So new things see, so that way to pleasure and dopamine will become, and your brain say for a fantasy. This is you will go to see for a many difference and many fantasy and available for more videos. You will see searching for more videos. Yeah, that time that way to for addicted will become. The mainly reason is a dopamine. I will how to reset for everything will be said. It's okay. You will addicted or not. I will say for you some signs to you will recognize that. The first you will see the porn instantly. That's okay. And some time you will feel bad. That time too you will go to see that. Yeah, that time you will addicted person and I will say that only not. You will bore time, stress time, frustration, alone time. That time too you will go to see the addiction will be appear for your life, and you will go to see after you will say why I will go to see that. Very feel bad. Yeah, that easy addiction will become that time. So all will be okay. How to resolve that? So all will be, I will say, you will see porn, you will addicted person. I will say for a hide problems. You will cannot see for a realistic problems. The slow by slow coming for a that problem. What is the hiding problem? The problem is mainly power. You will go to see that more dopamine will be secreted for that time. You will whole day will be tired. Cannot focus nothing. Everything. So that is for a first part. And the second, you will go to see for a more times. The time will be your thinking is worst, and you will cannot think for a good way. You will see any humans, we will thinking for a pornographical way. So that is a main problem. And you will suddenly, you will normally go to do any work. That time too you will thinking for a bad way. So that is a main problem, and focus will be distracted that time. You will what time to alone, that time to you will definitely your brain reward will be come to see that. So brain is a one of the muscle. You will find what way, that way to react. You will go to see on the brain will be a reminder that, so you will go to replace a good things. It's okay, alt and alt. How to stop that? Yeah, that way too I will say you will 1 week, one day without mobile. And then the best way for fitness and exercise. You will do one day to 30 minutes to 1 hours workout time. That time too you will replace that, and the thought will become you will delay to replay. That time to your mobile away. You will mainly say cannot allow. The you will morely engaged and go to friends, brothers, that way go to speak anything. Cannot go away. Will see for you many people the easily down for that. Mainly say for your focus and all done. I will say for you lastly for simple tips. That tips will be what for you. That's always I will say the mainly discipline and self-control is important. The more person this porn addiction will become go to for 1 day 2 days for a focused way, and after go to see that is a problem. I will say for that time too you will mobile switch off or another room, and you will go to not alone to go to the any person to see to speak. Yeah, that way to easily reduce and delay to stick, and you strictly say I will know to see that, and you will using for blockers apps more apps will be restricted apps will be appear the for Play Store. You will download that, we will install to allow the permission, and after cannot see that you will one protection to another protection the all protection you will definitely helpful. And it's okay, I will say for a final for one tips. What is it tips? The tips is any pen to you will today see the pond, you will displace to write pond and the dark and the big. Why I will say you will one time you will see the 3 o'clock, and after you will come to write that 24 hours only show that you will go that cannot erase that you will go to another place. Some guilty will be occurred, so easily you will outcome that we will understand. Yeah, that is very struggled, very struggled. You will 1 day 2 day that struggle will be appeared, and after you will cannot recommend for your brain, you will guilty, and that word go to see for many peoples, you will hide that way, that is all done. So I will say that place, so guilty more guilty come, you will easily reduce that. It's okay, you will follow that. If you like this video, subscribe this channel. Tada. Bye bye.